The TRX Hamstring Curl exercise. The main muscles used in this exercise will be your hamstrings and your glutes. To begin, lie on your back with your heels in the TRX foot cradles, legs are extended, and the TRX straps are set to about a foot above the ground. Engage your glutes, lower back, and hamstrings to raise your hips and lower back off the floor. Maintain this raised position and proceed to pull your heels towards your butt. The shoulder blades remain in contact with the floor and your arms are by your side pressing into the floor to help stabilize your torso. As you are lifting your hips, squeeze your glutes and pull in your abdominals to avoid overusing the lower back muscles. Keep your hips raised as you return as you extend your legs back out in a controlled manner. One thing to avoid in this exercise is dropping your hips.